So this is going to be the last section, is talking about the AI automation. In HubSpot, we call it Breeze. So Breeze AI, the very first thing that's going to be very impressive is this thing called brand voice. So understanding that we use the CRM as a single source of truth, it will be the single source of where you want to build your brand. So everything else is going to be following it. So this brand voice, how it works is that you build the personality, and then all the content can be AI generated to that particular personality. Salespeople could also use this brand voice to craft email. So you start to realize that even if you have 5 different sales rep personalities, as in your 5 reps have 5 different personalities, which maybe some are more professional, some are more casual, but if you're using AI, they can all follow your brand voice, so all of them will speak somewhat identically, right? So I think brand voice is important for marketers because it is the messaging that you're trying to send to client, whether or not is it consistent. And if it's inconsistent, that usually is not so good in terms of scaling a business, right? The second thing that's very powerful is segmentation. So you can actually use AI to help you build different segmentation. And then from the segmentation, that's where your content strategy is. A lot of people struggle in segmentation is because if again, this is more like an additional help, right? If you have no idea how to do segmentation, you can come to us, or now you can actually use the Breeze AI. Thirdly, earlier on I mentioned about content creation. So content creation is where you can actually natively create LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, even your blogs. So imagine that right now, if you have a particular kind of content you want to post, it can be AI generated. Of course, my suggestion is that after it populates, you do a visual check to make sure that the content fits you, right? So again, social media AI, marketing email AI, call to actions, even for your ads, right? So I think ultimately this is more of a marketing AI section that I'm emphasizing. Another cool thing about the AI is that you are able to summarize all the key touch points in one view. So instead of visually analyzing every touch point of like a customer, for example, if the sales rep has been speaking with them, if the client of the client that the sales rep is engaged currently is reading your website page view, download some white papers, book an appointment, all of these can be actually summarized in a click. So you are saving a lot of time with this, and this is usually very key information for mainly the sales rep, right? So now some AI features for the sales team. Earlier I mentioned you can build consistent emails with this AI as well for the sales. So if your sales team is providing, if you have a sales team of like maybe 10 to 20 and you can't really control how they craft their emails, this will be possibly a very good tool that you will be looking into, right? Predictive lead scoring is very powerful as well. This is where, for example, if you have a very big ton of client database, predictive lead scoring is where it will help you notify the sales rep on the exact lead that will have the highest chance of conversion. So that's where predictive lead scoring is talking about.